Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to talk about the structure of drama. Did you know that in the scene in Home Alone, where Harry, the thief, bites Kevin, the kid, he actually beats him, leaving him a scar that he has until this day.
What are you gonna do to him, Harry?
I'll do exactly what he did to us. And I'll burn his head with a blowtorch.
You can smash his face with an iron.
I can slap him right in the face with a paint can, maybe.
Or shove a nail through his foot.
First thing I'm gonna do is bite off every one of these little fingers, one at a time.
When it comes to the same scene, we can say that this scene is part of a drama stage called climax. Do you know what is climax? Or do you have any idea about climax? About the meaning of climax? In case you got the correct answer, congratulations. In case you did not, don't worry. Now we will explain all the stages of drama. Now, before addressing the stages of drama, we have another question. Why do we separate drama into stages? That is a question you might have in your head right now. Actually, according to Aristotle, drama needed to have at least 3 parts. A beginning, a middle, and an end. From that time on, drama was divided into many parts. Now, we will deal with the most important parts of drama. Before going on into the stages of drama, we would like you to remember your favorite movie. So, what is your favorite movie? We want you to do this because we would like you to relate the different stages of drama with the different parts of your favorite movie.
Welcome! We're going to talk about the stages of drama. Most pieces of drama are divided into 6 key stages, which are exposition, the inciting incident, rising action, climax, falling action, and resolution. We'll be going through each other in order. The first stage is exposition. Here, the audience learns the setting, the time and place, the characters are developed, and a conflict is introduced. In the play Romeo and Juliet, there is some time in which all the characters are presented, and the conflict between Romeo and Juliet's families is introduced. We learn who the Capulets and Montagues are and that they hate each other. The rising action is the following part. The action that takes place here leads the audience to the climax. Here is when the conflict becomes a problem. It is common for complications to arise or for the protagonist to encounter obstacles. In the same play, the rising action happens at the time when Romeo and Juliet get married in secret, which is going to be a problem for them later on. The climax is the turning point of the play. The climax is characterized by the highest amount of suspense. In Romeo and Juliet, the climax takes place when Romeo comes back to Verona when he heard that Juliet had died, not knowing that she had faked her death to escape. This ends up with Romeo committing suicide because he thinks that Juliet is dead, only for then Juliet to wake up and find Romeo beside her dead. She would later commit suicide too. Now we find the falling action. This is the opposite of the rising action. In the falling action, the story is coming to an end, and any unknown details or plot twists are revealed and wrapped up. This is the time that the families find out that their children are dead, and also that they were in love. Finally, the resolution is the final outcome of the drama. Here, sometimes a moral lesson is learned. In the end, the Prince of Verona gives a speech to reprimand Romeo and Juliet's families and how their hate destroyed the lives of their kids. Before we finish, we would like to remind you about the 6 stages. 1. Exposition. 2. inciting incident, 3. Rising action, 4. Climax, 5. Falling action, and 6. Resolution. Now that we have seen the different stages of drama, do you know where we find these stages in your favorite movie? We challenge you to find the answer.